This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Joan Rogers and Marianne Windridge. This home has it all. Large home on 3 acres, workshop for the avid collector/hobbyist, horse stalls and perfect for multi-generational living. 5-bed/3 bath main and 2-bed/1 bath guest home. Solid CBS home custom built by owner. Extensive moldings and quality craftsmanship. Stunning view of formal living room that overlooks oversized pool and enclosure, dedicated office west/built-ins, formal dining, family room, center island kitchen west/gas cooktop, double wall oven, breakfast bar, loads of cabinet space, big laundry room. Large owner's suite west/2 walk-in closets, and big ensuite, soaking tub, fixed glass shower. Separate pool room west/wet bar, gas cooktop and pantry opens to pool. 2-car garage separating guest rees west/full kitchen, private entry and pool access. 48 by 38 workshop west/2 8 feet roll-ups. Barn has 5 12 by 12 stalls, tack room wash rack and office/bath area. Recently painted inside and out, ready for new owner on very private lot. Located between 1 to 95 and FL Turnpike west/easy access for commuters and 24 hours. Security. For more information, review the details below or contact Joan Rogers and Marianne Windridge at 772-692-8834.